Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video we will learn Bunpo, learn Japanese that you can get through the Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store, and in here search in Bunpo Japanese. So here it is, and before we open this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So an app that teaches you Japanese, useful for everyone, from basics to advanced, study plan made just for you, helpful grammar notes, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, again, I just want to let you know that learn Japanese offline with these free fun lessons, an easy way to learn Japanese. This free Japanese learning app provides grammar explanation and lessons for learners of any levels from JLPT N5 to JLPT N4, N3, N2, and N1. The app offers over 1,700 example sentences and 8,000 Japanese grammar quiz questions. All comes with English, Japanese translation. So key features: learn Japanese alphabets, Hiragana and Katakana, study both Hiragana and Katakana easily, learn how kanas are pronounced, Japanese grammar, detailed grammar notes in all lessons. The app also contains explanation and exercises for all grammar points, Japanese vocabulary, a tap on Japanese words to bring up the smart lookup, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. You will see this, and let's start now. So there, choose your course. If you're a beginner, then start with the beginner level, alphabets and basic words. So let's just check this one. Alright, so we will learn 3 Japanese alphabets, Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. Then we will move on to some basics like how to say hello and count numbers. Alright, continue. And Hiragana, Katakana. So let's start with people there. Watashi, anata, kare, kanojo. People. So hito, kodomo, this one there. And then you can hear the pronunciation by tapping this one. So you will not be able to hear it since I'm using the microphone. But if you're using this application, then just tap this one and you will hear it. So being someone who has traveled to Japan just like me and has some basic understanding of the language, this app and all of the lessons you need to really clean up my grammar and help me understand how everything is structured. So that's why I can skip with the beginner level since I already know this one here. So adults, it's otona there, and the translation person, it's hito. Okay. Child, it's kodomo. So as you can see, I'm already good at reading Japanese since I've been in Japan before, and I have learned the basics, the Hiragana and Katakana. So for the kanji, it's a little bit difficult since kanji is really not easy to learn. You have to focus and give time to learn it. So I'm just going to skip this part here. So review there, profile. This is where you can create an account. I prefer not doing it right now. So send feedback in the settings, quiz audio. So I will leave everything as default, but I will leave everything as is. So let's go back. So as you can see here, they have the pro version. So for a lifetime license, you will be billed once. You will have to pay that amount yearly and monthly, and then you will get all the exercises available for you, all the contents. Since I'm using the limited version, then I don't have all the access to the exercises and the contents. So let's just assume that we're done with the beginning level. So let's move on to N5, JLPT N5, and there. So you will have to complete this. So to be okay, to be this, Okay, let's okay, I forgot this one. Let's try. Alright, so making a simple sentence in Japanese is easy. You can add a des to any noun to mean I am noun, or it is, there is a noun. Noun plus des. Skip introduction. And watashi wa kaishain. There, I am an employee. So watashi wa gakusei desu. Suzuki-san. Okay, Suzuki-san wa gakusei. Alright, Suzuki is a teacher. And this one is order the words. So it's igirusujin. So ima-san wa igirusujin desu. So there. Emma is British. Hajimemashite Kimura desu. Watashi wa Amerikajin desu. So there. So if you've been to Japan and you have learned the basics, then hiragana and katakana will be easy for you to read, just like me. But kanji is difficult. You have to spend more time in learning it. Kochira wa Suzuki-san. Kochira wa, okay, let me just correct. Kochira wa Suzuki-san desu. There. This is Suzuki. Congrats, that was perfect. So now I have completed the first one. I can move to the second part. Let's just try this. Okay, we can jump. Okay, we are not allowed to jump from one lesson to another. Oh, okay, we are allowed. Alright, so I'm not going to continue it, since I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to use this application. So it's really easy to use and fun to learn Japanese. So you can tap this one here and you can go to any levels that you like. So you can jump to Advanced N2, JLPT N2, or the Proficient N1. So I'm not going to do that, since I'm still in the, I think I'm still in the intermediate level or elementary level. So I still have a long way to go when it comes to Japanese language. And what else can we do in here? Review. Bunpo is still getting to know. Come back once you completed more lessons to unlock these features. So these features will only be unlocked if you completed more lessons. And this one here, you have to create an account. It's really easy to use, and just tap this one here. There, demonstrative. Okay, so you cannot use some of these contents. If you go to adjectives, there you will see this page that you have to pay to unlock all the contents. So clearly we can only access some of the parts there. So only this one, and there we cannot access some of the parts. So that's how you use this application. And if you have extra money, then I highly suggest that you buy this application so that you can learn Japanese, especially if you're going to travel to Japan to visit relatives or your girlfriends together with your family. Then this app is for you. So I hope that you have enjoyed something, and thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.